Hi, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you three products. This one is the camping table. So let's open this one. So this is the camping table. So this is from the wow, this is really nice. Oh, is like really lightweight and really easy to use. For your camping, this one is like a really great option. It's also really easy. You can hold it. Oh, it's so easy. So the next one is the camping mat. So let's open this one. It comes with. Okay. So this is the. So this is the mat. They are saying that you can blow this mat. Okay, this is super easy. You can do it with the air pump, but I'm trying to do it with the mouth because in the camping you just have to do it by your mouth. Yeah, so this is the mattress, you can see. Yeah, this is really cool. So this is how this mattress looks. You can easily blow this mattress. You don't need any pump or anything because I blew it with my mouth, because I try to do it with mouth because in the camping you just have to do it with your mouth. You don't need any pump. So yeah, that's really easy. Yeah, it's really feels really good. Yeah, for your camping, I think this one is a great option because yeah, I sleep it and it feels really comfortable. I don't feel like I sleep in the ground. Yeah, the texture surface feels good. Next one I got this Luffa. This packet comes with like 4 Loofah and all are like a great quality. Yeah, it's like a good one. So this 4 I got. All these links in the description box, so you can check there. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.